Hello, Chemistry 12, and welcome to Chemistry 12 AP. Now, hopefully you folks have already come to see me to pick up the course outline and all the packages and so on. So what I wanted to do was just go through this fairly quickly with you and to basically hopefully get you started so that um, you get into the routine of how this year's AP 12 will look like. Okay, now if you take a look, most of the stuff is fairly self-explanatory. Okay, a couple of things I wanted you to be aware of is notice that we will be using the Zoomdog Chemistry 9th edition. Now, hopefully you will have a chance to pick it up. If not, you can go to this tiny URL, okay? And what you will do is you'll be able to download the textbook and save it as a PDF document. So if we were to take a look, and let me see here, where is it? YouTube, here we go. Okay, so hopefully what you will do is you will be able to download this, the 9th edition, and so you'll be able to sort of follow along whether or not you have your book here or you bring it or you use your online. So you will be using the 9th edition this year. Okay, now as we go through the course outline, all right, pretty much again self-explanatory. Now, a couple of things I want you to be aware of, okay? In terms of the general information, because this is going to be partially a hybrid course where I only see you 2 times a week, whether it's Monday or Thursday or Tuesday, Friday, okay? What you will do is the imperative will be on you to sort of look up materials to help you sort of follow along. Now, a couple of things for you that you can use is, first of all, there will be some work from the AP Classroom. What I will do is I'll log on and then I'll give you a classroom code and give you assignments, but that I will give you later on. Another thing you could do is take a look at this SFU Canvas open course. Okay, so if you access your Office 365 login and click on SharePoint and search Canvas, what you will see is you will see this. Let's see, you have right here. Okay, so if you search up Canvas on your SharePoint, you click on it, what you will do is you will see a bunch of courses available online. So in this case, if you scroll down, what you have is you have Chemistry 12. If you click on that, what happens is you have the different topics. All right, so if you click on it, what happens is you have different topics that you can click on. Some will have videos and some will just have supplementary notes. Now, another thing that I would highly recommend some of you work on is this Chemistry 12 review questions. Now, with these 2 particular websites, okay, these tiny URLs, what you will see is you'll see, let me see here, you will see unit reviews. So what you will have is you have unit reviews. And so what you have is sample multiple choice questions for you to try out. And this focuses mainly on the on the regular curriculum. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you have your answer keys. Okay, so that's one thing I would recommend. Now, another one that's here, if I can do that right here, is this one is broken down by sections. Okay, so if you look at this, what happens is they break it down into specific sections. So depending on how you study, what you want to do is you might want to use this as well. Now, my recommendation would be this. When you're studying for my tests, do try these review packages that you do have online, because you will see that majority of my multiple choice questions will be very similar or exactly the same as the questions that are found on these review packages. All right, so my suggestion would be, I would encourage you, collaborate or cheat, right? In terms of, I've already given you the sample questions, practice them relentlessly, okay? Because they will give you the same type of format as my regular Chemistry 12 exams. All right. The other one that I would recommend, and this is what's going to happen in my lessons, especially since we're doing the hybrid model, is definitely you'll be doing a lot of videos. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all your lessons on video. And so what will happen is when you YouTube search Mr. V Chan, what you will see is you will see this. Let me just get this done right here. Whoopsie. Come on. Oh, no, not that one. This one here. All right, so you have Mr. V Chan, and what you will have is you'll have all my lessons. So I've numbered the lessons in terms of the order that you should go through. So there's things like Chemistry 12, lesson number 2, lesson number 1. And so what I will be doing is I'll be assigning specific video lessons that you should watch. So what's going to happen is when we are doing our lessons face to face, what I will do is I will go over the lessons that have already been pre-assigned. Now, what do I mean by this? So if you were to, hopefully you've come to class already and you've picked up the package. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you here. So let's say the AP quarter 3. So what you have today is you have the intro video. And what I'm going to ask you to do is watch over video lesson numbers 1. If we can blow this up a little bit. Okay. Go over 1, 2, and 3. And then on Thursday, for those of you that I see 2A, what I'm going to do is review the online material, and I will go over concepts from 1, 2, and 3. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into a lab. And then when you go home, what happens is I'm going to assign, Chemistry 12 video lesson number 4, AP Kinetics numbers 1, 2, and 3. And then on the Monday when I see you, we'll review that material. We're going to do a lab. And then your first test will be on the 11th and the 12th, depending on what day you see me. Okay, so this is how my lessons, I'm hoping for the lessons to go. So the onus will be on you to make sure that you watch the required videos. They are about 20 to 25 minutes in length. All right, so, take a break after 20 minutes, do some of the work and so on. Okay, now, if you want to get ahead, that's fine. I have all the videos hopefully set up. Okay, so that if you want to read ahead and if you're really bored, that you can just go on and, watch some more videos so that it makes your life a little bit easier. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that is how the course is going to set up for this year. All right. And unfortunately, it's not the ideal situation, but hopefully, we'll make it as manageable as possible. If there are any questions, please feel free to email me. The best way to reach me is through the email, okay, at vincent.wc.chan@burnabyschools.ca. The WC is important. If you missed that, then that will be sending an email up to Vincent Chan up at Burnaby North. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much and see you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.